Ankita Lokhande. This TV actress revealed during one of her interviews that she has experienced the dirty side of the glamour industry. Ankita has faced casting couch twice, first time when she was entering the industry and second time when she was shifting to Bollywood. Kangana Ranaut. This Bollywood actress has been very vocal about her horrible experiences in the Bollywood industry, and one of them was casting couch. The actress revealed that she faced casting couch while doing the super hit movie Tanu Vets Menu. Palki Kekla. The actress has been quite vocal about her terrible experiences in the Bollywood industry. Kalki revealed that once she was asked on a late-night dinner date by a filmmaker in condition with a movie offer. Kalki declined the offer. Swara Bhaskar. The actress is quite vocal regarding every matter happening around the country. She even raised her voice against casting couch. She revealed that she missed many good opportunities because she was not ready to compromise with anything. Surveen Chawla. Not in Bollywood, but Surveen Chawla has faced casting couch in South Indian film industry. The actress faced casting couch when she was shifting from TV industry to film industry. Radhika Apte. The Bollywood actress once revealed that she got called for a movie offer and was asked to sleep with the maker. The actress, like a boss, denied to compromise and asked the filmmaker to go to hell. Chitrangada Singh. On the sets of Babu Moshai Bandukbaz, Chitrangada Singh faced casting couch. The actress revealed that she was asked to do an intimate scene several times and that made her feel objectified. Iska Chopra. She is definitely one of the most talented actresses in Bollywood industry, and Tiska too faced casting couch in her career. The actress revealed that she faced casting couch from one of the top directors of the industry. She called him a reptile-like personality. Payal Rohatgi. This actress often grabs headlines for her controversial comments regarding popular personalities. This actress once blamed popular filmmaker Dibakar Banerjee for casting couch. Charlene Chopra. This actress filed an FIR against the maker of her film Kama Sutra 3D for making sexual advances towards her. Mamta Kulkarni. This 90s actress accused filmmaker Rajkumar Santoshi of casting couch during the filming of China Gate. The actress revealed that she was asked to sleep with him to get the offer of the movie. What are your thoughts about casting couch's existence in Bollywood? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.